Remember, in your training, here's what you think about it. Out there, if you think about it, it's too late. Let's sign in first, okay? Repeat after me. I present myself before the Creator. In the beginning. I present myself to the best of my ability. My knowledge of the art. I ask to receive all these things which I do not see. Bigger from my heart until the end. Okay, front of the camera. Again. See? See? I can do the same thing, but I have high line, low line. Not this. Or this. It's cool, but not cool enough. Yeah, you're talking about low line. What's my low line doing? It's shitting bricks right now. All right? In your training, remember, here's what you think about it. Out there, if you think about it, it's too late. My teacher said if you think, you stink. No chance for thinking. Don't have time. Happens too fast. So you train now, high line, low line, near, far, high, low. Basics, guys. Basics. Very basic. Okay? When I'm, watch, okay? You feel what I'm doing? My body's absorbing. It's not this. It's this. Feel it? Because I'm doing this. I'm not doing this. You see the difference? One's wooden. One, the bigger will win. The bigger, stronger will win. No. No, no, no. Here, skill is what's important. Doesn't matter what size you are. My teacher always said, if you're in the desert and your car runs out of gas, you have 1/4, you call a mechanic. You ask him if he's big or small, or you ask him if he can do the job. Yeah. See? See? See how I can alternate inside out? Okay, slow. Look what I'm doing. Watch. It's not this. Watch what leads. Okay, it's a web. Kind of bring that out. Then you have to be relaxed. But you have to have that pole. Okay, so again, slowly. See? Right there. See? Practice. Look what I do once I engage. Alright? Feet goes forward. See? I receive. This is the one that generates, right? Because this one's moving forward. So I receive and I generate. So what's happening is this. See? Very slow, very relaxed. This is this. See? I just switch from inside to outside. All I do is this. See? I expected that one to come. As long as I have my troops in proper position, I'll be able to counter instantaneously without really looking, because I'm just covering the line. Okay? I'm not going to be doing this. Get it? So you have to be really free-flowing, but it becomes a field where your body is what's absorbing it. It's not your tools. These are just your front lines. They're just there. They're just a scout going, hey, headquarters, they're here. That's all this is. It comes back. Okay, practice. Remember, a combination is just that, a combination. You can't fight with it. I don't care how pretty they look. I don't care how involved they are. I don't care if the guy says, I swear it works. Okay? A combination is just that, something pulled out of what reality could be. It's a voorbeeld in Dutch. What it means is just, it tells a story. It could happen. So I'm giving you examples of what could happen. You never prearrange anything, because if you prearrange it, you're going to end up trying to make that prearrangement happen, which means you aren't going to be efficient. If it's not the right time, not the right position, not the right energy, it can't be used properly. Too simple. Okay? So that's why I don't teach many application or combination stuff. I teach more foundational. But I will show you some extractions. Give me 1, 2, okay? Like that. Punch. In. See? Yeah.
I'm sorry, I have a question.
No, please.
Although you're angling out to your 45, you're still breaking center, right? You're breaking his center?
Focus has to be centered, because no matter what I do, no matter what you call it, it's either going to be a push or a pull, right? The energy you're either receiving or generating, and it's either going to be a push or a pull, whether you call it lopsided, it doesn't matter. It's either a push or a pull. And what are you pushing and pulling? This? Give me a hand. No. You're always going for center. Because when I hit, I don't only hit to hurt, I hit to off balance. Right? If he's worried about his balance, is he worried about hitting me? You look at any martial art, that's what the real goal is to off balance. Whether they bite, scratch, whatever. Okay, so that's what your focus is. It's always going for center. Give me one, too. It's right there. See? You can't prearrange these things. They just happen because your troops are in the right place at the right time. Get it? It's too fast. It just happens. Give me one, two. It just happens. It's because your troops are there. They're there. You can extract its intellectual candy, but it gives you an idea of what you can expect. But don't depend on prearranged movement. That does not work. That will never work. It has to be free-flowing through feeling and sensitivity, proper body position. Remember, position without speed is better than speed without position, which is what most people try to do. They try to compensate with speed, force, strength, a lot of movement. Okay? Okay, try to extract on your own and I'll check it out and see if you guys are doing it right.
Can we see that one more time?
I don't know what I did.
Just off the 1-2?
Huh?
Off the 1-2?
Regular speakers.
Yeah, regular speed. That's not regular speed. Regular speed. Okay, practice.
You just want to get your brother hitting you.
He's your friend. Better understanding of your own gravity than your opponent does. Okay, my teacher, he stands upright, but his center of gravity is mwah. Okay, so how do you learn that? By getting low. When you're lower, you can feel him more. You stand upright like this. Put your hand up. Stand upright like this. Okay, you kind of feel, right? Drop. You feel more? Basics. Why do you think old martial art is like this? Oh, it's for a strong horse stance. Well, that's secondary. Primary is to understand this, to understand this. It's really important. It doesn't mean you fight like this. You train like this. Okay, so you need to really drop. You need to drop to understand your own center. If you don't understand your center, and he understands his, he's going to catch you and feel you that much sooner. You're gone. 6 a fraction of a second. You're gone. Training all the time you want to with fast hands and everything, but if his center is better understanding, he can even be slower and beat you. Because he can feel you before you can feel him. So you really need to drop. It's really basics. Foundation is what a house is built on. That's what you need. So that's why you got to listen to what I say. Drop, low, relax, hold when the punch comes. See? I still have my low line. I'm not here like this. I don't block like this. That's eye-hand coordination, guys. Seriously, if somebody can do this in a real fight 100% of the time, I'll take lesson from him. I don't know how to do that. That doesn't work. This works. See? Keep the focus on center. See? See? Good practice.